So first you need to open Unity Hub. You will get your project options, and side it will be multiple options, and you have to select installs from it. And it will show you the versions of your Unity installed in it. I have installed 19 and 18. So now there will be options like this. Click it. You will get add modules. You need to click that. And in this one I've already added Android build support open Java. So if you haven't done it, you need to select this options and click next. Agree. So it will get automatically installed in this one. It shows installs. So it will get automatically installed. I've already done it, so I'm not doing it again. So it will get automatically installed. So suppose if this method doesn't work, you need to go and manually do it. So in order to do Android SDK, you just download Android Studio. That's it. And in order to do Java, go to Java JDK. That's it. Type Java JDK. Click the first link and Oracle JDK download. Depending upon OS, you can just select this and download it. That's it. Pretty much it's simple. That's it. Download and install it. And Android here, just you have to select it, download and install it. So that's pretty much simple. And inside the Android Studio, you need to do the changes. So I'll go to projects. So new 2D something, create. So after opening Unity, you need to go to Files, Build Settings, and here you see you need to go to Android. So I've currently installed Android, so it shows perfectly these options. But if you haven't edited, you need to go to File, Edit, Preferences, External Tools. Here's the thing you are going to do. So you are going to go and add the location where the JDK and Android SDK files are installed in your system. So let me show you. I'm going to browse. So it's currently located in app data local Android SDK. So here this is what local Android, and here's the SDK. So I'm going to select that folder. So that's the location here. So for Java it's so that's it. If you add these two things, it's pretty much enough. So just you need to go to build settings and connect your mobile phone by using a USB to the system, and you can run your Unity game on it.